football is not even like the focus anymore. No one talked about, oh, that was a great play. He did a great job. All they talk about is the halftime show or fucking who it was or what they did or what they didn't do. You know what I mean? Like same thing with the Grammys. No one talks about how great the music was or why they didn't deserve to win. You know what I mean? It's all about who was there, what they did, why they did it. It's fucking crazy, man. Oh, there to watch football. Watch football. You're not there to talk about everything in between. You know what I mean? Motherfuckers worried about everything, but they're supposed to be worried about. Anywho, spiggity spiggity spy. Here we go. We are now back into supply, right? We can all see that. That nice downside move, big demand hold, nice upside move. We need some structure. All we have is a low, all we have is a high. Question is, do we get a pullback and a higher low, or do we get a lower high for lower, right? That's the big question on this chart. Big levels to focus on. Numero uno, 692, 682, right? We can watch for that pop and that fade, and then we can watch for that pullback and that hold. Continuation above 692, continuation below 682. Outside of that, don't really love anything here. We are just back in that range. Qs. Let me see. I'm starting to get some nice little downside here. Actually. See what we got here. Qs, a little bit different scenario. Major level here is that previous support, 611. Then obviously we have those daily lows. What I'm watching here is obviously that failure back below 607. We can get that nice downside. Or two, if we can get that pullback and hold, it's a different story. I personally think we're going to fade, right? Why I think that is we just didn't do anything. All we did was pop, right? There's nothing really to go with it. Everybody's like, oh, well, we did this, we did that. And I'm like, yeah, I hear you, but we really didn't do anything other than catch a pop. You know what I mean? That's all we did was pop. You know what I mean? There's no structure, there's nothing, right? So, in my opinion, I think the chance of us going lower is extremely high, especially with this chart here on NQ. Spoke about this last night being the A+ short setup, which was 25,200, right? Last night on Sunday Live, I spoke about the break, I spoke about the failure, and I spoke about us getting back below it. If we're back below 25,200, I think we see lower. That's my mindset today, okay? If we get back above 25,200, sure, I'll go long. But until then, no. ES, same scenario. I spoke about this 69.65. What do? We broke it, we failed, we retested, we're trading lower, right? So that's the name of the game here. We're below 69.65, we see lower, down into 68.66. RTY, projecting supply, YM, failing those previous all-time highs. So, you know, this is where shit gets real. It's time for the market to shit or get off the pot. That's simple. Apple, big breakout level here, but, you know, we failed it. So the question is Apple starts fading, the market's really going to pick up. So that's the thing here. We got a tricky scenario with Apple 280 being in play and then that 272. So we can watch that break and hold, or we can watch that pullback long here. But I think we're in for a fairly tricky day. I think that's what we're in for, is a tricky day here, guys. That's what I say. Very tricky day. Give me 2 seconds here. Let me fix this. Fix that. Fix this. Okay, we're good. NVIDIA. Again, same thing here. What are we doing? We're rejecting supply. Demand here, 181.50. Demand here, 177. So that's the game plan. Watch that pullback, hold, pullback, higher conviction, hold. Okay. Tesla, same thing. What do you notice? We're in supply. So this is the boiling point for the market. We're gonna hold or we're gonna fold. Tesla's rejecting the supply. If we lose 407, we're going back into 400. Tesla reclaims 416, we're going back into 420 plus. So a lot of either or setups today, a lot of being patient, right? Microsoft, same thing. Where are we at? Sitting in supply. So it's a lot of patience in today's session. But yeah, man, that's what I'm watching.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo. What's going on? Rob, Waffles, Tails. Jason, what's going on? Donald, Don, Zishan. What's going on? What's going on? Hey, Rob, do you have to reconnect all your accounts manually every single time you load up the copier? I just ran into that. Oh yeah, I forgot I put the mobile thing on well. Josh, good morning. That's the one annoying thing. You're used to it, yeah. I mean, it's not like that big of a deal. I just have to keep all those tabs open. I'm not sure I like how all the or the vertical is. Does it just stay cropped right there? It's not moving my chart though. The halftime show no bueno. Yeah. It was one of those things where I feel like the left, like if we would have did something like completely like full out American, did you guys see the Turning Point USA had like their own halftime show? It was like the Super Bowl was for the left, and then Turning Point did a halftime show for the right. Like, it's kind of funny, actually. I just don't understand because the whole thing was in Spanish or Puerto Rican. I was reading things where like even Spanish people didn't understand what was being said. So it's like if people who speak Spanish couldn't even understand it because he had a Puerto Rican accent, then the amount of people that halftime show was for was such a small group of people. Yeah, people were complaining about the sound as well. I did not enjoy it. One, it didn't even sound like, look, I only know English. I know pieces of other languages, but I enjoy a good song even if it's not in English. He didn't play any good songs. And I know he has a couple, but I couldn't understand what he was saying. I couldn't understand like the story that he was trying to portray. It was just, I didn't know what to think. And then the commercials. There was like no good commercials. Like the Clydesdale, like that was like the only one that was even like half decent. We all love Pitbull and he gives us some English. This is true. I just didn't understand. Like I enjoyed the Green Day opening a lot more than I did. Oh, I didn't enjoy the halftime show at all, so I can't even say that. We had Shakira and J Lo, and that's what I'm saying. Like if you have a concert and like it is what it is, like if they have some Spanish in their, oh, that's why it's not moving, because I had the wrong one. I was moving the wrong chart. Okay. But it's completely fine. Like it's not that big of a deal. What is that? Oh, Creatify. Hold on. Gotta open up one more here. All right, we got 1 minute till open. Well, didn't Pitbull do a previous Super Bowl? I believe. I don't remember, but I think he's done the Super Bowl before. I just want to keep up all the different trade evade instances as well, so that if the copy trader does mess up, I have it up and just ready to get out if need be. Goo goo gaga. All right, here we go. I got 10 seconds. See what happens. He did the NBA halftime show. I think he did Super Bowl too. Pitbull Super Bowl. Maybe not. Yeah, it says 2012 NBA halftime show. Maybe that's what I was thinking. Oh, am I live on Twitch, by the way? I think I'm supposed to be. Let me scroll out before I do anything stupid here. 24.9. All right, we're coming down to 25K. Probably bounce off 25K.
Order filled.
Or just go straight through.
Order filled.
Looking to get back above 25K here.
Order working.
I guess I should have waited that split second, huh? Holy smokes.
Order working.
Ugh. Right back to my average and got absolutely smoked. Oh no. Should be okay here. I don't want to add too quickly.
Order filled. Order working.
Give me those two real quick.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get the bigger push back up through 25K. So far, we just ran into 25K again. Looking for it to pop back through. Come on. There we go.
Order filled.
We'll take that. I'm sad on this fill. I thought I hit it down towards 50, but it's okay. Ooh, look at this. All right. I actually wanted to go back down now that I got out. That's the power of starting with 1 micro. That would have been real scary had that been 3 minis instead of just 1. I feel like I had plenty of room there. Technically, across all my accounts, I have some E8 accounts now as well. Those are evals though, but I am copy trading those as well. I'm up 579 across all of them, but 3 of those are evals. I kind of want this to continue down. Small group of 50 million American who have Spanish as their first language. Yeah, I think I'm live over on Twitch as well as is it working? Let's see. Yeah. I'm live over on Twitch. I also changed it to ultra low latency over here on YouTube. I realized that I wasn't doing that prior. That was my fault, but it should be fixed, so the delay should be even less now. And I think I'm not live over on X, but I was trying to be. Let's see if I can be. Okay, it is working. I just got to get it going here. All right, I should be live on X now as well. Obviously, YouTube's going to be my main one, just because that's where I run everything from, but I am going to try moving everything around, or getting the multiple streams up. There's a little bit extra over on X that I got to worry about. I'm not live on X yet. I'm working on it. All right, now I should be live. All right, 25,000 is definitely the key area here. Sorry, I was doing a little back end stuff there. Morning, Jason. Say good morning already. That's somebody else. Oh, that was the other Jason, Mr. Wallace. All right, NQ moving back up here. Chat says limited by broadcaster. The Nike logo on the bottom right looks like this fun. Oh yeah, this is actually his Apex hoodie that they gave me. It's not as comfortable as the Tradeify one, but it fits. I have the Tradeify one right there. The Tradeify one's an extra large. This is just a large. As you can see, it like fits me better. Limited chat. Other Jason. Yeah. Yeah, there's another Jason now. All right, moving back up here. Probably could have been a little more patient with the second take profit there, but at the open, I don't like biting off more than I can chew. All right, coming up to 25.1. That's the Friday's close. See what it does if we get there. Let me see. Profile says I'm live, but you're telling me you can't chat? Let's see. Not really sure I want people to chat on X anyway. I'd rather them come over to YouTube, but let's see. Source. Oh, chat. Here we go. Everyone. Let's see. It's not letting me click anything. Public. Channel out. It's not letting me change it. All right, 25.100 right there, running into Friday's close. All right, we are through. We can get a push up through 150. I'll be interested. Where is the high? All the way up there, 347. So the range isn't that big. Not as big as Friday. Still trying to figure out the chat. It won't let me edit it won't let me edit it. Zishan. Needhy, good morning. Oh, Needhy, I never read through. I saw that this morning. I forgot to read through it. Let me pull that up for later. I'm sure it's going to be fire, though. If for some reason in the broadcast details, let me X out of that and jump back in, see if it'll let me. Yeah, it doesn't let me click on anything else. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm live already, I have to do that beforehand. So I don't want to end it. We'll just worry about that next time. I'll just put that in there. Turning point halftime show is better. My voice is low? It shouldn't be. Yeah. Is your volume down? Could be your volume. Don't forget to hit that like button. Ba-da-bum-bum. Apparently the bridge that got knocked over in Baltimore, the Key Bridge, apparently it was supposed to cost 2 billion. Apparently now it's 5 billion. And some people were saying it'll probably go up to 8 billion. Is this going to turn into like the railroad high-speed railway in California that never happened? Like, are we just never going to get the bridge back? Oh, Suno. Forgot that I was renewing Suno. It's okay. I want to make more songs anyway. It will cost us as much as the ballroom in the end. Real. Well, it got boring pretty quick. See if we can get up through 200. I know I said 150, but that was when we were going straight up. Now we're just kind of grinding. No, the governor administration will hide the deficit and the cost of the bridge. 1 billion shortfall in the budget. Well, here I saw this video. That's why I was saying that. I haven't watched it yet though. Geez, they're saying 2028, and now they said 2 billion 2028, but now the Transportation Authority put a thing saying updated cost range 4.3 to 5.2, and open to traffic late 2030. Why is it taking so long? That's crazy. Like, why? I don't understand what takes that long. Plus, didn't they say that, didn't Biden, or wasn't it Biden in office at the time, and he said that they were going to cover the bill? Like, man, come on. I hate markets like this, man, where it literally just, even if you get big candles, they just trade within themselves. Like, you can't, how do you trade that? I don't understand how you trade that at all. It's very frustrating. Hey, Rob, I've also noticed that on the copy trader, I guess because when it's exiting the position, it doesn't fully get the same fills. I hear a birdie in my ear saying that Nvidia is kicking ass today. Wow, Bitcoin went down to 63,000 overnight. Oh wait, this is February 5th. I'm looking at the weekly. What are we at now? 69. Okay. Jeez. How was everybody's weekend? You guys saw my X post. We had a nice Sunday. Got a lot of stuff done around the house too, some picking up and everything, which was nice. Still not. I still haven't seen a 1. I'm sitting between 201 and 202. I ate pretty good this weekend, but I was still right at 202. Had some Indian on Saturday. Had some really good pizza. What was the name of that place that we just went to? Let me. If anyone's ever in Washington D.C., there's Andy's Pizza. It was really good. Wait, I don't think that is. Is this the one? Yeah, I think so. No, this isn't the one, but I'm pretty sure it was called Andy's Pizza. Andy's Pizza, Washington, D.C. Is it this one? Yeah, here it is. Andy's Pizza Noma is the one that I went to, but I'm assuming they're all good. But it was really good. You didn't like Andy's? I don't know why everyone likes that stuff. The environment was cool with the game, social stuff, but the pizza, no. Really? See, I really like the pizza. I thought it was delicious. What didn't you like about it? Or let me ask you first. Do you like New York style? Like, what kind of pizza do you like the most? Or do you like traditional? I mean, I don't know. I really liked it. I thought it was delicious. All right, coming back down to Friday's close. I thought it was really cool too that they had like where you could make your own pie. It's dry and thin. I like the sauce. I like a good chewy. Wait, are you saying Andy's was dry and thin, or you like it dry and thin? I like sauce. I like a good chewy dough and crust. See, I thought like they're, I don't know. Maybe have you been more than once? Andy's was dry and thin. See, that wasn't the case for me. I didn't think that at all. We got a half cheese, half pepperoni and sausage, and I had one of each. See, I'm more of just a cheese guy, but my wife likes toppings. I don't know. I thought it was delicious. See if we bounce off of Friday's close. Work in the city, so I get dragged to those spots all the time. I'm pretty sure I've been to 2 locations. Interesting. See, I don't know. The pizza I had last night was not thin nor dry, and it was delicious. Now I want to take you back there. My son liked it too, so that was all that matters. I mean, we picked pizza because that's what he likes. And now we're just coming back down into the range. We'll see if we can stay below or above Friday's close, but right now it's definitely fighting to try to stay above it. Yeah, no, hey, maybe I just got lucky and we had a good occasion. I don't know. I'm not saying you're wrong. Well, this is boring. I'm glad we took a trade at the open, I guess. That was a really nice candle at the open. It was hard not to take it. I took a chance at it bouncing at 25, and it didn't, but that's the beauty of starting super small. Is anybody talking over on Twitch? No. Is Twitch working for you guys? It's it won't let me change my name on Twitch either. I wonder if I should like make a new one. Like it won't let me change my name or anything. There's my Twitch. For me, it's saying the video download was canceled. Please try again. X seems to be working well though. It says I'm live, but it doesn't. Like, I wonder if it's because I'm on 2x speed. Well, let me try that. I bet you that's why. Nope. It looked like it was going to load, and I was like, oh, that seems to be working. Cool. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working for me. Big rejection, back off of 150, down into Friday's close again, which is now creating a lower high. See if we can't hold this. Kind of forming a wedge. I would assume this is a wedge. See which way we break out of it. Whoa, I don't even think that works. I should probably get rid of those for now, huh? You didn't spend like bits or anything on that. Just the sushi points? Okay, good. I gotta go. Let me get into the admin mod view. Give you that. I'll refund that back to you. Maybe. Activity feed. Where's the activity feed? Ah! It might not let me. Oh, there. Oh no, it only says I can report it? What? I can't give it back? Well, that's not cool. Well, alright, don't use any of the stuff over on. Alright, still in that wedge. Which way is it gonna go? I guess we could go like that, just to include the wick. I think if we break back below, we're going to see a pretty violent move down towards 25K. If we break above 25,150, we're probably going back to the high of this current move towards 25.2. But clearly wedging. Friday's close is acting as support big time. It's looking like it wants to try higher. Still got to get above 150. Just making a longer wedge. It's holding up there though. It's trying. This could just sweep higher through 150, or not at all. I just don't understand what it's gonna do. Nobody does. Right back up. It needs to get over 150 if it's gonna go back up though. That's where we're at. Trying. This could very well just sweep 150 and then reject. But the amount of support it's found here at Friday's close at 25.1 is clearly there. Didn't even get above. Oh, yeah, we did. Literally 150 and 3 ticks. When I said sweep 150, I was thinking more like 155, 160. I literally called that, huh? Almost to the tick. Ain't over yet though. It's still trying to hold support here. I'm telling you guys, if you don't have this on your chart, it gets used very often. The close number from the previous trading day, it's very rare you see it not get used. Like, this isn't a coincidence. I didn't draw this line. This line is just there from Friday's close. I don't really count this as a wedge anymore because we did break structure. We did go higher than that higher low. But in theory, you could still keep drawing it. I mean, they're just kind of they're screwing around with everybody right now, longs and shorts. Wawa, good morning. It's not showing my screen. So let's go Ravens. Hell yeah. Dude, I'm actually excited to see what I was just telling my wife yesterday while we were watching the big game. That I'm actually excited for the Ravens offseason. Like, I'm usually not excited for the Ravens offseason, but I actually am this year. 1 Minute Millionaire. Are you here, by the way? You never reached out to me on Discord. Guess you didn't want that account. I don't know what's going on with Twitch. It was working. No. It just says the video download was canceled. Please try again. Click here to reload player, but then it doesn't work. All right, I'm gonna stop Twitch for now. No one was over there anyway. For now, or I'll figure that out later. GDT, are you back home? How was the overall trip? All right, this looks like an actual break-in structure. Held that support real strong at 105. Back at work. How was it? All right, here we go. See if we can get a nice big break up through 200. This is what we were looking for when we kept drawing that wedge line. But they faked out here. This is not a fake out. This was an actual attempt to move back up. It was good, cold. Oh, I bet. It was, you know, it was cold, but it wouldn't have been so bad if it wasn't so windy. The wind is what was just bad. Did you change your latency? I did. Yeah, I thought I had it on ultra low latency this entire time. I never realized that I didn't. So yeah, I changed it back. I was messing with things. I was messing with things over the weekend, trying to get Twitch and X going so I could stream there. And when I was setting everything up, I noticed that my YouTube stream in OBS, or not in OBS, on YouTube, it was set to just normal latency. I was like, wait, what? Because I thought I changed that a long ass time ago. All right, here we go. 200. See if we can get the push through. Looking for like 230, 220, 230. Oh, wow. It's already after 10. What was the 10 o'clock candle? Usually you see the 10 o'clock candle. Today wasn't really that big of a jitter. All right, here we go. 200. See if we can get the push. Go, 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 go. I'll be looking for the 200 retest if I get in. Need it to push away, push away, push away, push away. Need a bigger candle. Come on. Need a big candle. Now I want one of these candles. One of these down here. The 10 o'clock, 10:01, 10:02. I want one of those candles right now. Or even this candle over here. What is this? 950. None of this grindy shit. Anybody remember where I go in Tradeovate to get how much time's left on the candle up in the little tab screen? I don't remember where that's at. Damn. What am I looking for? What do you mean? What are you looking for? Whatever T changed and made a big difference? Yeah, it was just the latency. I forgot. I didn't even know it would change. I thought I had it on ultra low. That's why when you guys always told me there was a delay, I was like, there shouldn't be a delay. Because I changed it to ultra low latency, but oh, gotcha. I'm looking for, so up in the tab, you can set it so it tells you how much time in seconds is left in the candle, or minutes and seconds, depending on where you're at. I don't remember where that was. Oh, is it these settings? I think, oh, maybe, yeah. I think it's up in here. No, not in there. Figure chart element. Chart settings. I don't remember where it's at. Delay was 24 seconds depending on the day. Yeah, that's crazy. Well, my bad. I honestly was confused because I was like, wait a minute. I do have it set to low latency, but I didn't. It was actually set to the worst. It was set to the normal latency, which is the highest it can be. Click the gear on the right side next to the H, then bar countdown settings. Aha. Save. Perfect. Thank you. That'll prevent me from having to look down at my clock. And now I can look up there. I remember it used to be there. I just put it up here as well. Alert when the bar is about to end. Interesting. Let's see how, I want to see what that does. Interval percents duration. So get it pretty close to the end. We'll probably have to wait for the next one. Is it going to be audible? I don't know if I want to do an audible. Oh, play alert audio. Well, let's see if it'll alert me without that. Oh, what happened to my, there it is. Thank you, Don. What's weird is I have a click on the top of mine as well.
Order filled.
Did that work? I didn't see. Here, I can test it. Yeah. All right. Clock, not click. Oh. I have a clock on top of mine as well. It's actually not a bad idea. Is that in Tradeovate, or is that you're talking about like your own clock? You know what else I can add? Here, watch this. instead of the P&L for the, let's try this. Properties, window, Tradecopia. It's not. There we go. I have no idea where I'm at in the program. It's not showing. Why is it just a blank screen? Wait, what? Can you not use Tradecopia? Or can you not stream? Can you not stream Tradecopia? Bitter NQ, good morning. It is in Trade of 8? Where is it? Where is there a clock inside Trade of 8? I need that. I was on it last week. Oh, Rob, by the way, can you I do want to keep using Tradecopia. Can you put me in contact with the guy that you were talking about? I can Google it. I was just seeing if you knew right away. How to get clock inside. You can use the built-in notification ticker for the current time or add a bar countdown to charts. I also noticed it's not doing the countdown. Does it have to be an audible alert? Let me pay attention this time. Let me change it back to 10. So 10 should be what? 6 seconds, right? 10% of 60. All right, getting a nice push. Looking for up through 250. Platform clock. Navigate to the application settings. Select the preferences tab. All right, I'll do that in a sec. Let me. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7. Let's see if it notifies. Oh, I see. It just starts to. Okay. Didn't we do this before where I did an audio alert and it got annoying? There is no application settings. Oh, this is the application settings. Select the preferences tab. Scroll to notifications. Notification ticker. Set the time zone. Boom. Is that it? Boom. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's go. Okay. I didn't even know that existed. Rob, are you still here? I'll message you if you're not. I just... Oh, it's the little pop noise. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. You're here? Did you hear me say or wait, is that you that messaged me? Oh, you're showing me the... Okay. Yeah. Dude, I absolutely love it when I'm talking to somebody and they say the word potty because you immediately know they have kids. It's like the best thing ever. It's like you don't even have to ask the question. You just know. How many PAs am I trading right now? 4. Well, technically 6 because I have the 2 Tradeify funded accounts. My question was, I want to continue using... Oh, so I have a two-part question. First one is, I was trying to stream Tradecopia on OBS, but it doesn't let me. It looks like it just blacks out the screen. Second question is, I want to continue using Tradecopia. So is it possible that you get me in contact with the guy on Discord that you had mentioned? Let me try just opening a new window see if that changes anything. These hats first. These hats be getting in. Let's add window capture. Yeah, window capture. Select a window. Yeah, see, it just does that. It doesn't let me see what's on it. I guess because it has personal information on it, maybe. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I think it's because it has information on there. It's kind of like if you try to put, if you open up Netflix and you try to put it on OBS, it gets rid of it. I wish I could change the noise that it makes. I'm sure you can somehow. Just have to find the file. I actually... Imagine I changed it to that. That would be so annoying. That would be so annoying. Let me see if I can get in their Discord real quick. Rob. I remember seeing the link. I just gotta go find it. There it is. Rob, if I do end up paying for it somehow, I did use your code when I signed up. Say F T H. All right, I am now in their Discord. Of course, man. All right, see if we can get the big push up through 250. Looking for a big candle. Looking for that rubber band. That stupid pop, it makes me think I'm chatting with somebody. It never gets old when you're at an NBA game, like the closer you get, just like seeing how tall those guys are. It's pretty crazy. What about it? I thought for sure I was gonna come back and we were gonna have missed a trade, but exclamation point marbles. You got 1 minute because I messed up and didn't change it. Get them in. Let's close it up. $29. Let's watch the chart real quick. Is this the song? I feel like I keep hearing something. Let's lower this. Rather hear that at like 3 seconds. Like I just want to know like, okay, the candle's about to end. Because you know how many times I like see an engulfing big candle and I'm like, should I get in here? Leia, I'll get you in there because I haven't started it yet. Your 1-year-old screaming. Oh, needy. Okay, gotcha. I closed my account out, but I have a buy order on my paper account. Did you take any trades today? Bad. I went to sleep kind of late last night. I was doing a bunch of stuff for the stream and stuff like that. Botched it, but I'm only negative $3. Make you hollers. All right, not doing much here on the chart. Let's play some marbles. See if we can free Santa today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy to free Santa. Yeah, I like that. I like that noise a lot better. It's like perfect timing for, okay, candle's about to end. 3, 2, 1, boom. Can you guys hear the pop? You should be able to. If you can hear order filled and stuff, you should be able to hear that too. Chart popping back up over 200, yada, yada, yada. The candle we're getting now is the candle I wanted up at the top, but we never got it. Yeah, that green candle we just got is the candle that I wanted when we were up at the top, but we just never got it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Daddy needs some new shoes, baby. Are you? No, you gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. It's moving, so I'm gonna wait until this thing stops moving. I think it's almost stopped. I think we're fudged. I think we're fudged. Yeah. Did not want to. What a joke. I finally get a chance at the rail again and that. And then that. Bitcoin back below 69. Was that a death stare on that marble? Pretty much. Pretty pissy about it. Jeez. All right, we're coming back up to the high of the move here, 250. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. No! Tails. Welcome back. Go to the chart real quick. So we're breaking this high. This is what we were looking for. Need an extension away from here. $275, $280, $285 would be really nice here. Want another one of these candles. Go, go, go. Nice little V, little mini V. It's a little frustrating because we didn't want this pullback first, right? I say this all the time. You're looking for an extension away from a key area, but you want to be able to get in before a retest of that key area. Because if you get the retest of that key area, it means all the people who were going to sell higher are probably selling here. All right, back to marbles. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the popping noise. I don't need it. What happened? I wasn't even watching.
He needs some milk.
I was reading something. Should I go back and watch it? No, nobody even came close. One shot. What's up with everyone getting stuck? All right, we'll do one more. Oh, oh no! Come on. See if we can't make a move up to the current high here. Am I at 15K yet on the channel? Or 16K? Oh, I'm close. I'm getting there. 54 people away. Happy anniversary on YouTube. You've given the world 7 years of videos. Yee. Santa opened his mouth and blew my marble away. I'm tired this morning. Yeah, me too. I didn't go to bed till like 1:30. So yeah, I'm pretty tired myself. Uh Ooh wee. What's up, Donovan? At 11 o'clock or somewhere around 11 o'clock, we'll run the giveaway for the Traders Launch crypto account. If you guys aren't in the where? Oh, there it is. There it is. Couldn't find it. All right, making a move higher here. If you're not in the giveaway for the Traders Launch 100K account, the futures account, that's the real deal account. That is the link for that. All right, nice push up here towards 300. Looking for the move up to 300. Come on.
Order working. Order filled. Order working.
See if we can get the bottom of this candle. Looking for the 300 reject. Ah. Come on, give me bottom of the candle. There we go.
Order filled.
We'll take it. Puts us up 772 on the day across all the accounts.
Winning.
Oh, what a boring, boring, boring day. I mean, not complaining though, not complaining. Well, there's not that many people here today, too. I mean, your odds of winning will be higher, especially because most of you have already won anyway. My wife's home tonight. I might have to fill her up. Make this day worthwhile.
He needs some milk.
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
You get me? You get me?
Run.
All right, looking for the push away from 300 here. Getting up towards the highs at 350.
Order filled. Order working.
Taking a small stab at this. A little early, but I like the candle. See if we can't get the quick 300 retest. Yeah, not a good sign. We're definitely gonna have to get an ad here. Might actually go all the way up towards the highs.
Order filled. Order working.
Hopefully we don't get caught in something stupid here, but I'm gonna try to hold one here for the full 300 retest. But we need to start pulling back first. Might just go for the highs. Always like to just take one off to alleviate the risk when we get the ad. Get your average up, gives you a better chance. Or it can tease me.
Order filled.
Alright, got the one back off. Plus I like putting it right there, so then I kind of know where my average was. It's kind of nice. See if we can't break that previous candle, 315. If this goes higher, we might just go straight to 350. So I would like to see the 300 retest now. Obviously. See if we can break previous candle. There we go. Should go straight to 300 here. Come on. 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 All right.
Order filled.
Just gonna take it off there. Puts us at 12:01 on the day across all the accounts. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like a good exit. You could kind of feel it was trying to dump, but it just wouldn't dump, so that's why I jumped out. Just reading price action. I will gladly watch this rip to 350 now. Man, we were under 25K. And now, jeez, straight up. We are the Jamaican bobsled team. Spanks. That was a decent little trade. Take it. Go grab another fresco. Da, 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 da. I'm just, guys, we're gonna do the the crypto account giveaway. I just wanna see what this chart does. Somebody's got a case of the Mondays. You couldn't be more right. Couldn't be more right. Ooh. All right, get ready. We're going to do it at 11:07. That was kind of the rejection candle we were looking for. You're going to get 1 minute to enter. This is for the 5K crypto account from Traders Launch. If you have won one of these before, don't bother entering because it's... Yeah, I can only give you one. So if you've already won, don't bother. I'm going to start it at 11:07. You'll have 1 minute to enter. Not marble. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in if you are interested in a Traders Launch 5K crypto account. Absolutely free. All you got to do is win the race. That's it. All you got to do is win the race. No fun? I know. I'm sorry. Is really nobody gonna enter? Literally, Papanow was the only one that entered. Auto win. I mean, yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was gonna say, I guess Papanow wins. As long as he hasn't won before, which, yeah, he hasn't. I think everyone has already won. I'm the only non-switching guy here. Papanow, message me on Discord. You win. Yeah, no, I appreciate you guys listening. Seriously. That's too funny. Profit per tick. What happened to your green? Profit per tick, you win. What is this? You win two straight to funded accounts and you're like, nah, I'm good. I don't need, I'm done. I paid my $10 and won $700 worth of accounts. I'm good. You won one, but not in crypto? Yeah. Yeah, you won the 100K. Well, here, you can have the crypto account. DM me on Discord. Well, I have your email, right? Yeah, just DM me on Discord so I can pull all that back up. Congrats. That's kind of funny. Bop. Oh, I have your email. It's right here because I keep track of it. I got it. You don't even need to DM me. I'll get that sent over. Congrats. No, it has to be green. I mean, it's not green though. I don't know what to tell you. Congrats, question mark? Made you work hard for that one. All right, things to do over the weekend. Trade Copia, did that. I didn't get the video. I got the Twitch. Okay. I just got the video, but I already know that, so we're good. Where's silver at? Oh, rebounding again. What a crazy move. What's gold look like? Gold's headed back up as well. $11.11.11. Did you see that? Did you see it? It was 11.11 and 11 seconds. There was really no competition. That's the best. I think my card got declined. Ooh. man. We're gonna see what this does here, but I might call it a pretty decent day overall. Dude, this copy trading stuff, it's gonna take a while to like get the payouts, but boy, oh boy, I'm like really enjoying. I took like essentially no risk trades today. I mean, the opening trade was a little, I mean, but we were only down what? Not even like 200 bucks, like right at 200 bucks. Trader NQ, I think I'm done. We're going to see what happens here. And then if we don't get a move up through 350, I'm probably peacing out. Because we got the high, current highs at 347. Looks like we're going to at least touch that. EA Sports. It's in the game. Rob, you busy? You wanna go find the queen? Or the matriarch? Let me see what's active right now. I need one matriarch reactor. Or no, yeah, one matriarch reactor and one Geiga counter. And I'll be complete the trophy display. I actually got shot in, like, I played a couple raids this morning, and I got shot by somebody for the first time in probably like a month and a half. You're gonna binge watch MacGyver? Are you gonna do that only because, oh no, where did I saw somebody, oh, I was watching a CS2 clip last night. And somebody mentioned MacGyver, and I was like, wow, I haven't heard that name in a while. And now I've heard MacGyver twice within 24 hours. Did you see what the Super Bowl streaker had on his back? Yeah, it said Trump won, right? Or at least that's what I read. I don't know if that's what it actually said. Is that what it actually said? I saw somebody trade with Athena. What is that? Athena, isn't that like the AI? It's on Paramount Plus. What is? At FXA Lex G, trade with Athena. Who is that? Trade with Athena. Forex cryptocurrency trading brand and social media handle. Promoted by Alex Tadasa, trader who notably gained attention by streaking at the Super Bowl. The brand often features flashy lifestyle content with, for example, this video explaining related to potentially distinct Miami-based trader. Paramount Plus has MacGyver? Interesting. It's a crypto coin? Yeah, of course. Is he wearing cleats? He's wearing like turf shoes. That's hilarious. He like completely thought that out. Maybe I should have paid a streaker for my channel. I would not want that kind of press. I know any press is good press kind of thing, but no. All right. Come on. Uh, this is the candle I wanted, but green. All right, gonna give this like we'll go to 11:30. See if we can't break it by 11:30. Na, na, na. Cool, the matriarch is going on right now. I'm gonna go get me one. Damn. Yeah. I'll give it till 11:30. See what happens. Yeah, I need to start my taxes this week. I don't know. Come on. At least break the high and show me what you're gonna do, right? Are we gonna break out, or are we just gonna it's literally gonna do it like right at 11:30 just to keep me here, and it's just gonna like grind around 350. Just to keep me here longer. All right, we're here. Go, 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 go. On 65, 65. Go, 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 go. We are gonna drop. I'm just giving it a chance. I told you this is what it's gonna do. It's just doing enough to keep me here. Cody! It's Cody, everybody. What's going on, Cody? How are you? You caught me on the way out. I'm so bored. We're at the highs, but we're not pushing. It's just grinding. It's...
Gay!
Yeah. Gay! And just building stuff and having a great time in the programming world. They're trading here maybe soon. Gotcha. Defemi, what's up? All right. I'm getting out of here. I'm sure usually when I end the stream, guys, is when trades happen, so get ready. Here's where we're at. Oh, maybe I shouldn't show this. Maybe there's a reason. Is there something on here that you guys shouldn't be seeing? No. I'll just click this though. So on the Apex accounts, which are funded, up 437.54. On the Tradeify accounts, we're up 208.20. On the E8 accounts, we're up 315.30 for a total of 1201. Unfortunately, can I click? I'll have to look and see if I can like deselect the E8 accounts since those are evals. These are all funded. This is the eval. Hide balance? Oh. Detailed view. Yeah, I'm sure there's a way to do it before I do the final look, but all right, I'm out of here. I'll be here tomorrow morning. Until then, have a good rest of your day. I will see you then. Be safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Winning.